How are you? You good? Same on.
Sexy woman inside.
Sexy woman.
Yes.
He's just saying sexy woman.
Hey, welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali.
Hey, Habibi, come to Bali.
It's quiet, no? A little bit quiet.
Yeah, maybe start for.
Hello,
How are you, madam? Are you from Malverde?
I'm from a corner house.
For massage girls here. Have the Bali love. Yeah, we have the Bali love. Just take you and show you it then. Underwear, garments. Ooh la la, will you look at that one? Right, see you. Hello, how are you? You good? Not too busy in there this evening. Yeah, this is a good spa, Agatha Spa. Hello, madam, how are you? Ooh. We're not too busy in red carpet tonight. It's inside of Natty's. Music. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 8 PM. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. So the street of Jalan Kayu Aya is quite a popular street for nightlife venues. You have three very popular places on the street here, Lafafella, Malverde and Red Carpet. In tonight's video I'm going to take a gradual stroll along the street. My starting point is going to be at the Corner House restaurant, and I'm going to walk through to where all of the three nightlife spots are located here on the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. So on the street itself, other than the nightlife spots, you've got lots of restaurants also, lots of tourist goods shopping, lots of boutique style shopping, massage and spa, tattoo studios, you name it, you'll just about find it all on the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. So what I want to do is I want to take a gradual walk along the street again and ease anybody that's been watching the recent social media postings online of all of the floods here in Bali. This is going to be yet another street that I'm going to include in my collection of videos where there's no floods whatsoever. You won't see any signs of water on the street. So without any further ado, let's go and take a night stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so this is a start point for tonight's video. Directly across the street there's a restaurant called Corner House. I've featured that restaurant in a video, so it's exceptionally nice food. This is the street we're going to be heading along tonight, Jalan Kayu Aya. Just behind me here and to the left is the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. A few restaurants and massage and spa shops on the street there. In tonight's video we're going to be heading along the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. Very difficult on motorbike. Yeah. A place called Palmer here. This is a ladies' clothing shop. A restaurant here. Hello, how are you? Ooh. Show the name up above there. What kind of food is it?
Thailand food.
Thailand food. So it's a Thai restaurant there. We're going to head across the street. This is the Corner House here. Putting in between all of this traffic and things here. Ooh, here's the, what's it? And just show inside, yeah. Here's the inside of the restaurant. Quite busy in there. We're going to head along the street here. So it's Corner House restaurant. There we go. Lots of clothing, flipper, feeler, rubber, pomelo, ink incorporated across the street there. Oh, we have a little bit of something on the street here. A bit of bags and things. Looks like they're doing some work on the street. We have Monsieur Blonde. Oh la la, some nice stuff in there for you ladies. Jewellery, underwear, garments. Oh la la, will you look at that one? Wow, it's nice and frilly. We have Gambino's across the street here. Interesting looking restaurant. It's relatively new. I think that might be something to do with Corner House. We have cigar and tobacco here. So Gambino's has got an upstairs seating area as well there. I can see customers upstairs. Just back on this side. A leather goods shop here. Filthy gorgeous. This is nice jewellery. Have these all over Bali. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets, all available in there. We have a place called Adia here. Ladies' clothing, garments in there. Some shops across the street there as well. We're going to head back across there. Just give you a view of the street first of all from here. Go across in between the motorbikes and cars. So we have a year-end discount here, start from 190k, t-shirts, things of that nature in there, lots of stuff. So it's like some kind of spa or something. Hello. Maybe hair. Oh no, it's a massage spa. Here's the staff. Hello, how are you? I was wondering what it was. Now it's a massage. Is this the name? Yeah. Nail day spa, Japanese hydro massage. There we go. That's all from these guys here. Tourist information, tour booking service here. How are you, brother? You good? Good, good. Come to Bali. Book your tours from this man. How are you, brother? You good? Sal and Luna here. Nice spirited, the guys. We have a jewellery shop here, some customers inside there. Just give you a quick look across the street. Lots of ladies boutique style shopping across there. Just want to take you across, back on the other side I think. Easy putting across the street. So that's a place called Frock there. This is Curves here. Some nice clothing inside of Curves there. Ladies boutique shop. La la, will you look at that? Some nice ladies clothing in there as well. Susua or something this one's called. There's a name on there. Oh, there's quite a few new places here. So there's Sol and Luna. We have Mino Jewels next door. One Fable. Shawarma Beirut. That's new, that on the street here. So Mino Jewels next door, which is a jewellery shop. This is One Fable, another ladies boutique style clothing shop here. And this is the new Shawarma Beirut. Someone on the skates there. They have the shawarma inside. How are you, brother? Just walking along the street here. Polo, 50% off. K&I. Have some very sparkly clothes in here and things. That for a sparkly dress. Sure, that's underwear. It's underwear, not a bikini. A flipper feel, a rubber grip, never let go there. Dawn & Co there. And then just across the street we have Suka, the Island of Gods. That's a new one. We have Agatha Spa there. Let's go and take a look at this place. Oh, I can't help but notice just how quiet it is on the street. So it's called Suka. It's indicated by the steps there. It's like a ladies and men's boutique style clothing shop. Kind of matching set there. Lots of stuff inside there. Very, very nice. And then just next door we have Agatha Spa. Just give you a look back across at the other places. So there's our polo shop, K&I, Grip Never Let Go, Flipper Feel Rubber, Mermaid Boutique Swimwear. And then we have Agatha Spa here. How are you guys? Good?
I'm good.
Is this a good spa on this street? Yeah, this is a good spa, Agatha Spa. Hello, madam, how are you? Good, brother, how are you? Say something good. Say something good. Say something good, you're looking in the camera.
Hey, welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali.
Hey, Habibi, come to Bali.
It's quiet, no? A little bit quiet.
Yeah, maybe start for 11 night.
Oh, okay. So we're a little bit early. We have some more ladies here.
You saw sexy woman inside.
Sexy woman.
Yes.
He's just saying sexy woman. You walking down the street here. Nice tourist goods shop here. Paintings. Lots of stuff in there. We're going to turn across and head back across the street here. We're just heading back across the street. We have Momo Batik there. We have copyright music, so I'm not going to go too close there. We have the Gelato Factory ice cream here, or Gelato Factory, however you pronounce it. It's just in the back there. papaya here. Some jewellery and things there. Alexa Day Spa here. Just in the back there. Hello, good evening, how are you? Let's go and say hello to the girls. Alexa Spa, here's all the wonderful massage girls here. Have the barley loaf. Yeah, we have the barley loaf here at Alexa Spa. We have the wonderful guy as well here. Thank you guys. Just carrying on, next door we have 69 Slam. Sale up to 50% there. Just turn your back across the street. Circle K, Bali Watch across the street there. So Smile teeth whitening here. And there. So Smile. Just take you and show you at the doorway entrance here. And just next door to our teeth whitening, we have Johnny Rockets. Also have one of these at Beachwood Shopping Mall in Kuta. Seating area here at the front. It's not busy again here. Seating. Our passion is your burger. So just across from Johnny Rockets, we have Bali Watch. We have some more boutique style clothing shops there as well. And then just on this side we have red carpet. So this is the red carpet. We should start getting to people on the street now in this area. There's nice little motorbikes here. Hello, how are you? Good. Not too busy in there this evening as well. Normally have the live music on here. Not tonight. Hello, red carpet, how are you? Woo. We're not too busy in red carpet tonight, a bit quiet, maybe a little bit early for that. Some with the ice creams and lollies and things here. Cocoa market here. This is called Natty's, this place. Inside of Natty's. Music playing over there. Just coming out of Natty's. Well, this is where all the night hotspots are now. We have Malverde across the street here.
Hello, pretty.
How are you, madam? Are you from Malverde?
Yeah, I'm from a corner house.
Oh, corner house is right up there, yeah?
Would you see anything?
Oh, it's okay. So that lady's from Corner House. You have Malverde across the street, looking very, very quiet. We have Laffer Fella here as well. Got live music in there. Very interesting. We're just starting to queue up outside Laffer Fella now. We'll just go and take you over to Malverde as well, just take a look at this. Here we are, ladies free entry, limited food, nightclub, it's all in the back there, Malverde. How are you? You good? Same on there, yeah? Yeah, same. So we have a ginger snap shop just here. So this is Laffer Fella, the main entrance. Show this restaurant. There's another restaurant across the street here. Oh, this is Natty's as well. Quite nice. Live music all inside. Oh, is this for the... Say hello.
One free drink at the go.
This is the free drink here at the Goat from this lady here.
Discount from the bar, you get free.
Oh, okay, say.
Thank you.
Have some handbags and things here at this shop. Nice stuff in there. We also have some training shoes. Very, very nice. So the free drink is for the Goat, the pub of Seminyak across the street there. A few customers in there, not super ultra busy. And that's as far as we're going to go in tonight's video. Not so busy tonight on the street. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll here in Seminyak along a section of the street of Jalan Kayu Aya. First question is, did you see any floods on the street? Because I certainly didn't. So back into the video, the stroll. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, you have three night spots there. La Favela, Mel Verde, Red Carpet. However, in this evening's video, the street was relatively quiet. Not too many people anywhere on the street, actually. Not just around those nightlife options. Normally around there is queues and people waiting to get into the places. However, that wasn't the case tonight. But also on the street, you've got lots of restaurants. There is some hotel accommodation options further down the street and just off on the side streets also. Got lots of tourist goods shopping, lots of boutique style shopping, massage and spa. Just got a really, really great collection of everything on the street of Jalan Kayu Aya here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful. And please remember, don't listen to all of the social media postings, what you're currently seeing online, showing all of the floods. Come and have a wonderful holiday here in Bali. And I shall say bye for now.